welcome to Funtelligence Hub. Today is the 1st of the 11th, 2024, and the LO is to identify different types of triangles. I'm going to whiz through this because I think you'll know this. What is the total of the angles of a triangle? Very wordy, so let's break it down. What are the total angles of a triangle? Drum roll, please. 180 degrees. That is the angles inside the shape, as it says here. Equilateral triangle. What does equilateral mean? That's the question below there. So, imagine a seesaw. My arm is a seesaw. Left and right. Say you put a 50 kg box on the left, 40 kg on the other side. Would it be equal? No, because there's a 10 kg difference between the left side and the right side. So equilateral, coming from the root word equal, means everything must be the same. Do you think you know any properties of equilateral triangles? Has 3 equal sides, all of its interior angles are the same. Now, I bet you've heard the word interior before. Maybe not in this context, maybe in that fancy home design context. When they use it in home design, it's the same as how they use it in maths. Interior and exterior. The interior of a home is the inside and the rooms. The exterior is the porch or the back garden. We went through this. If the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, what must each interior angle be? I'm going to give you a hint. Excuse the messy handwriting. 180, that's written my divide sign for me, divided by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Add the 0, 60. Even though you might not be able to read it, I'm sure it's sunk in your head. 60 degrees is each side or interior angle. What are these, you may ask? Well, this is how I did it when I was younger. I tilt my head and I see that it's an equal sign. That means it's an actual equal sign. Isosceles triangle. Do you know any properties of them? Very funny word that is. They have 2 equal sides. They have 2 interior angles that are the same. These are called the base angles. So, say the top angle was 90 degrees. These two would also be 90 degrees. But you need to half it because these two guys need to share. Let's say there's 90 pieces of cake. They have to share together. So what you do is 90 divided by 2, which is 45. Now, how can you do this so quick in your head? You can just do simply 9 divided by 2. But you're thinking, Mia, 9 is not in the 2 timetable. Well, you can do, what you can do is you can do 9 divided by 2, which is 8 divided by 2. Just pull it down a notch, which is 4. Add the 0.5. Now, here it's not 4.5 because we have a 0. We ignored the 0 in 90. That means we're going to add the 0 back, but not so it turns to 450. A 0 is equal to a placeholder. A placeholder is equal to a decimal point. So we move the decimal point, and the answer is 45. Scalene triangle. Well, this is a hint over here. 80, 60, 40. All of its sides are different lengths, and all of its interior angles are different. But remember this, they still add up to 180 degrees. Right angle triangle. One of the angles is always a right angle in a right angle triangle, which is 90 degrees. So no matter if that right angle's up here or down there, the right angle is always 90 degrees. Meaning these two angles, they must add up to another 90. So same with the isosceles triangle. They must add up to 90. So let's have an example, shall we? A 40 over here at A and D would be, let's count together, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 50. Can you identify these triangles? Well, the answer's already there, but I guess this is a good learning. Let that sink into your head. Now, time for a little trivia. Get your thinking hat on. Each of my interior angles measures 60 degrees. What am I? If you guess an equilateral triangle, you are correct. I'm the longest side of a right angled triangle. What am I? Now, it's my fault. We didn't go through this, but we are going to go through this after this trivia. I am the hypotenuse. Let's practice singing that. High, pot, pot, like a plant pot. 10 as in the number 10. Use as in I've used this. So, hi, plant pot, 10, use, hypotenuse. Next, the lengths of all of my three sides are different. What am I? If you guess scaling, you are correct. The next one, you may think we have covered this already, but it's a trivia. My interior angles measure 43 degrees, 65 degrees, 72 degrees. If you guess scaling again, you are correct. Last one, I have two equal sides, two equal angles. What am I? If you guessed isosceles, you were right. Now this is the meaning of hypotenuse. So this is how my dad explained it to me when I was younger. Imagine a triangle that has one corner that makes a square corner, like the corner of a book. The longest side of this triangle is called the hypotenuse. So over here, the clue was, and the longest side of a right angle triangle. What are we saying here? Imagine a triangle that has one corner that makes a square corner, like the corner of a book. The longest side of this triangle is called the hypotenuse. Let's practice saying it again. High, plant pot, 10, use, hypotenuse. It's the side that goes across from the square corner. If you have two shorter sides, the hypotenuse is always the biggest one. You can think of it as the slide at a playground. It's the longest part that connects the two shorter parts. So, over here we have the hypotenuse. We have the one side and we have another side. That's the longest slide connecting. So, let's go over it again. A side and a side. They're not connected just yet. Then that's where the hypotenuse comes in. It's the slide that connects the other two sides, making a right angle triangle. Bye and see you next time. Tune in for more at Fun Television Hub. Like and subscribe!